Hello, I am Ajiths Music Center, Kochi, Kerala. I had posted 2 videos before on guitar. One about the warming up exercises before you practice, and the second one was introduction of the guitar chords. That is not the chords actually, how the chords to be held, the way of strumming, so many different of strumming patterns, etc. When you are dealing with guitar chords. Now it is time to understand chords and the notes of guitar. So here it is a very simple approach that they learn some notes on the guitar like this. That means the notes on the guitar. So within that range, you'll be able to play some small tunes. And the chords based on that can be played along with that. You will improve very fast. So that's a technique. Even a small tune, we had a little enough. So within that a small tune, how you can just play 2 chords, even the 2 chords you will learn. So that should be the approach. What are the things you are learning, try to apply in your playing. So your study will become very musical. Okay? So let us start right now with your notes on the guitar. So here we are going to deal with, first you are going to learn the 3rd string of guitar. It is called the G string. This is your G string. Okay? So first string is E, second string B, 3rd string is G. And when your left hand fingers, first finger, second finger, 3rd and 4th. So when you keep when you place your left hand second finger on the second fret like this, so you can see that fingertip and it is close to the fret, you get the next alphabet called A, G. See, this is A note. So G note and A. Musical alphabet, G, A. Musical alphabet, last 2 videos I had explained that we are using only 7 letters of English alphabet to represent music. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, no H, again A comes and so on. Okay, so here after G, this A. So 2 notes, G note, A note. So how to practice that? Simple. Each 4 times, 2 times, and etc. So exercise 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 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 A, 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 G, G, A, A, finish. Or simply exercising G, A, G, So doing like this, you will coordinate your picking and the placement of your finger. Okay, so that's nothing to do with the 3rd string right now. A note, of course, there is some 2 notes behind and 1 after that. We will explain later. And now you go to the 2nd string. It is called your B string because after alphabet A, the next letter is B. So it is B string. It's called the 2nd string on guitar. So the alphabet is B, and when the next alphabet is C. To get a C, you are holding the note with first finger over here. And the next note is D. So to get a D, you are holding your 3rd fret with your 3rd. So your shape of your fingers, as I explained in sharp video 1, that is fingertips close to the metal, frets and the fingers are properly curved. Your thumb comes exactly behind your second column like that. That's how fingers are curved. So B note, C note, B note. So that also practice the same way you played before. That is 4 times. Then do that. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Back to C. 2 times. 1 time. So the 2nd string fingering. So now you know the note on 2nd string, now you know the note on 1st string. So you need to combine them. So how? G, G, A, move to next, B, B, C, C, D, D. Go backwards also. D, D, C, C, D, D. So once this is smooth, then play one time each. D, A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, D. So now you know the two string notes. Let us apply this to some simple songs. That is first two lines of Mary Adelitina. So if the children are picking up this from this video, it will be interesting for them. Let us see that. So it's okay, it going like that. So we'll have to count always 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to say the name of the note along with that, it's B, A, B, A, B, 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 4, A, 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 4, B, 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 4, B, A, B, A, B, 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 2, 3, 4. So that is one. Another song. It's called Ode to Joy. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also notes goes like this: D, 2, C, D, D, C, D, E, D, D, A, D, D, A, D, 2, C, D, D, C, D, A, D. So practice these two songs and these two notes of string number 3 and string number 2. That's your G string and B string. Now we are going to learn 2 guitar chords. Last second video I was showing you some chords of A minor and E major. Both these chords having the same guitar chord shapes. Last video I was explaining. Now you are going to learn 2 chords which looks different. So first chord looks like this, another chord looks like this. So these are the 2 chords you are going to learn. The first chord is called the G major chord. To hold G major chord, your third finger again comes on G, third fret of your first string, and these 2 fingers, so that is your second finger and first finger on 6th string, 3rd fret, and 5th string, 2nd fret. Make sure that your fingertips close to your frets. So that's the sound of G major. After holding a chord, always check it sounds good. That means that this pad touch the adjacent string. So you need to curve your fingers properly. Another good exercise after getting the G, just lift these 2 fingers and just practice tapping together. Fingertips comes here like the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So lifting and coming. So that the next chord is called a D7th chord. Okay, what is a 7th chord? And we need explanation later. Now just understand the chord by its name and the shape. So it is a D7. So it's like from the G chord, you know this third finger here, sliding back to 2nd fret, and this other 2 fingers were here, coming here. The A note you learn now on G string, A note, and the C note you learn on B string now, C. So see here, that chord use only 4 strings. It's a D7th chord. So it's like this, D7th chord. Here also you can just practicing tapping these fingers like that. See, this way. So the finger comes together. So when it comes G here, bend it back to D7 like this. So another simple common mistake everybody makes like that. G chord, when you play D7, see, you're lifting all these fingers and holding that hold. That's not a good idea. So that whenever this one, that's why these two fingers you get control. G, slide back. So that with a minimum lifting of these two fingers, this back. So the chord change becomes beautiful. 2, 3, 4. Like that. 2, 3, 4. This not good. So always practice keeping fingers close. So we need a specific rhythm to play this chords like that. You can play 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You can do that. They are all two chord strumming. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Or you can play 4 chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So this is the two chords you learn now, G and D7. So how we can apply these chords when you play the song? Okay. So that here I am going to give you the track of the two songs you learned before. That is a Myriad and Little Lamb and Or to Joy I told you. I just give you the back, so you can just play along with this and you can just make your strumming melody. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Whenever you learn something, you try to apply this to some of the tunes. You know, well, you just started with only 2 chords right now, but when you learn more chords, more notes like that, you can play some full songs on this also. So for the time being, just practice with your 3rd string note G, A, 2nd string note B, C, D, and practice the tune. This is the same, you can play the tune I explained before. You can play the tune alone even with my recording also. At the same time, you can practice your chords along with the recording. So enjoy and have fun. Okay? Bye.